Hello. So there's a learn SQL structured query language, and I went through a large amount of tutorials, and before I could get to this part of the results, the W3X, the W3 school of bunch of activities. So I went through all of them, read through all the SQL tutorials, and I took the exercise. I did all the exercise. You can see I got 52 or 52 exercise, and I also took the quiz, which I scored 96. Uh, and I can really do the quiz, retake the quiz if I decide to, because it was super easy. Uh, it wasn't that hard to do. Uh, and yeah, it took me like four seconds the first time. Hopefully, this one will not take that long. Uh, and I'm doing this to get to 100 because I had before they said I missed this part of the question, which I don't know why I missed, and maybe my mouse clicked it the wrong way. Uh, Maybe my mouse clicked the wrong way because the questions that were fairly simple. The questions were so very simple, and the tutorials were also helpful. And it was great to do the tutorials before doing the assessment. So this one like it's asking what's that how that start with an A, so A comes before the percentage sign. And this one was asking a true or false question about it's just like C programming and other programming where all means any and end means all. Uh, yep, the questions were pretty much easy to do. Hopefully, I aced all of this because this one is asking how to select our record alphabet between. So uh, the questions were not that tricky, and it was straightforward. Uh, the last name. Awesome. I think the score at the end will show what I really studied. Oh, I did not study. have two questions to go. And the last one is it's this one. And hopefully I didn't miss anything. Okay, let me go back to see what I missed again. If it says I missed okay, and my computer is kind of running slow. Okay, yeah, delete from Pearson. There's what I missed. It wouldn't it wouldn't hurt to retake it again till I get 100 because I made sure I did the tutorials and everything. And yeah. Uh, and the quiz, once you get through, it doesn't want you to go back to do it again. It doesn't give you the chance. Uh, hopefully, I'll get through this pretty quickly. The question I missed, I have not seen that question yet, and I hope to see that question very soon. It will probably be after this one. So it's delete from Pearson, not the other way around. And yep. Yay, finally got the 100%. But yeah, I went through all the I went through all the I created a profile first and I went through the tutorials, and after the tutorials, I did the exercise. It's not showing me. After the tutorials, I did the exercise, and yeah, before getting to that platform, I went to this place, Espanol, and I made sure I went to learn SQL, read the tutorial, did the exercise, took the quiz. I'm yet to purchase an exams uh, in order to get a certification. Maybe I'll do that later, not right now. Thank you.